Yep. So here we go. We're going to make a sweep. So I'm going to start a sketch on our XY plane, and I'm going to start with 4 lines. Now, if you notice, I'm not really going to dimension these. I'm just going to make some lines. So these 2 lines are my outermost lines. All right. And I do want the tops of them to be approximately lined up. I'm going to make another line that should line up with the bottom and come up. It's going to be shorter, right? I'm going to make another line that lines up here and kind of stops earlier. All right, see my 4 lines?
Yeah.
I didn't dimension anything. It doesn't really matter what your dimensions are right now. We're just trying to build a generic paperclip. Now I'm going to use a 3-point arc. This 3-point arc is super easy. I'm going to go endpoint to endpoint, and then I'm going to bring up my arc till it looks good. Does that look pretty good?
Yeah.
Same thing down here. Endpoint to endpoint. That looks pretty good. Endpoint to endpoint. That kind of looks like paperclip, right? This part's critical. You have to click Stop Sketch. We're going to turn on our origin so that we can see our planes. I'm going to put a new sketch on this plane right here so that I can draw a circle around the endpoint. Okay, see my endpoint right there? I'm going to draw a little circle around it. We'll make it 0.2. It needs to be a pretty small circle, right? Okay, I'm going to stop the sketch again. Now I'm going to create my sweep. You guys see sweep right there?
Yeah.
I'm going to create my sweep. I'm going to click the circle. That's my profile. So it's going to sweep the circular profile of a paperclip, right? The path it's going to follow is my lines and arcs. Done. Paperclip. It is, yes.